After a long winter, we inspected a 5G cell phone tower to assess its condition and maintenance status. This video provides a brief walkthrough of the inspection process, followed by 6 detailed pictures showing the tower's well-maintained structure. Watch to discover how 5G towers handle winter weather and remain reliable for uninterrupted connectivity. The video highlights key components of the tower. Structural integrity of the framework. The antenna arrays. Cables and connections. And the base station units. Stay tuned for an insider's view of 5G technology in action. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech infrastructure updates.